Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to change website theme in Odoo. So first of all, we have to make sure that we are enabling the debug mode. So go to the settings. Okay, so here you can see that we have a debug mode. So first of all, you have to activate this debug mode. Then go to our apps. Then here you will get the import module. So upload your file. So download this theme, that is a free theme. Download, then upload that theme and installed. Okay, this is the first process. After doing this, then go to our website. Okay, then here we go with the edit, then here we go with the theme, here we go with the switch theme. Here we have whatever we have uploaded the theme that will come over here, or it will automatically apply, so you can choose the theme from here, right? So use this theme. This is the default theme, right? And use this theme. So I'm gonna update this theme. Okay, this is done. Okay, now the website design is like, changes. Here you can see that the color and everything. My account. Okay, so this is how you can switch the theme. Here, from here you can change the colors, paragraph styles, headings, buttons, link. Okay, input fields, padding, advanced, show header or something, you can just change it from here. Okay, so in this, any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.